This is an uncommon sight. Hello everybody. Today is January 10th. I'm gonna start doing vlogs. Oh, there goes the boat. Just missed it. I'm gonna start doing vlogs again. Now that I'm feeling better and all of that. Today's vlog, we're gonna start it off at the Magic Kingdom. There's lots of stuff going on here. I'm gonna get on. The train is back up in operation. We're gonna get a look at Tron. There's pennies. So much stuff to do. Join me. Comes our ride. Looks like a mannequin up there. Still Christmas time here. Well, I reckon let's go head on up. Let's get onto a train. Oh my god, I've never been in here. Oh cool, look at this. That is pretty freaking cool. The train is coming. Okay, we gotta go. It's so cool.
Circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezcan brazos, pies y piernas dentro de come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneer trains. While just ahead is Splash Mountain, where you'll find Brer Rabbit in his laughing place. Those critters love when folks drop in. Those horses until we come to a complete stop. If you're disembarking, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding. That'll help make room for any new buckaroos. Watch your step now. This is front. Los pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuiden los pequeños. Gracias. Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own. Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies.
Weird seeing it from this side, because they're always seeing it from that side.
Telling the tale around a campfire that night. That village
Happy to be back on the train.
Special place.
It's like 4 years, 5 years. Stuff you only see if you're on the steamboat. You never see this stuff over here.
Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is.
Stop at the point of the Playboys and come back up.
Right back over there is Barnstormer, which that's pretty cool. We're currently at Storybook Circus.
Looks like we're on our way. and I'm so glad to have you with us. The next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve, and not just because we're on a straightaway.
It's actually a
our
line for
metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland.
I'll never see that. Wow.
It's the morning, but I'm still awed by the rockets and Spaceport 75. The technology that
Going through, we're going
Unidentified users
I've been waiting
detected in
for
upload
this.
conduit area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required.
That's the secret that's so simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibility of Tomorrowland.
Okay, we just got off of the train. It's the first time I've been on there since I was a little kid, because the train hasn't been open in like the last 4 years. So now I'm gonna head on into the Emporium and see if I can't find a crushed penny book. Ooh, of course, Dapper Dan's. Okay, so I went to go look for a crushed penny book for the 50th. They no longer have 50th crushed penny books. It's all for 2023. And actually, a lot of the 50th merch it's gone now. So sad. Nice. It's so, all of a sudden so busy. Nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna head to Splash Mountain. I'm gonna try and get the penny that I lost. I lost one of those Splash Mountain pennies. I think it was Briar Fox. So I'm gonna go back there and redeem my penny. Get it again. This kind of sucks. Just nano inches away from being spit on by the camel over in Aladdin land. So close. So close. You gotta watch out for these. Look at it. Oh, they're just having fun. We have to go to the Splash Mountain gift shop in order to find what I'm looking for, but I think we should be able to sneak in there. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Gift shop. Gift shop. Nice. Perfect. So here's the pressed pennies. And Briar Fox is the one that I dropped. So we're gonna get Briar Fox. Okay, so Briar Fox. Oh, there we go. Nice. Nice. Not gonna lose this one. I didn't realize it, but here is some more Splash Mountain crust pennies. Look at Splash Mountain. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's get to cranking. It's not easy. You need some muscles. Oh, still have one more. There we go. There we go. That happened. So those are the ones that we got. Nice. what happened there?
I got a push button in case it's in Oh, there's one right there on the corner.
Okay, I am literally just, cruising around the park doing stuff. I'm not getting on any rides because I don't think it's gonna happen today. It's so busy. But maybe we can get into the Big Bear Jamboree. I haven't been to that yet or seen it yet, so curious. I like that. In fact, like the bears have been in here walking around.
Hook up here. Give me a little intro. Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original Country Bear Jamboree, featuring a bit of Americana, our musical heritage and past. And right now.
She's got me, whatever we do, we both agree.
Y'all come up and see me sometime. You hear?
We just got out of Country Bear Jamboree and there are the bears right there. Oh, liver lips. Aw, posing for photos. That's a good photo. That's a good one. Oh, and there's Princess Tiana. I have never seen her. This is my first time. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, I'm just gonna do the Carousel of Progress for the new 2023, as long as we can get in. I almost feel like going to get something to eat right now, actually. I don't know why but while this is going on, I'll look for food.
Changes over the years. Our show still revolves around the same theme.
It's just a dream away. Man has a dream, and that's the start. His dream with mind and heart. And when it becomes a real
Plan for the fireworks show tonight.
Grover, don't interrupt while Sarah's interrupting.
And guess who volunteered to choose the music for the program?
I did, Pop. Listen to this.
If that happens, you'll always have that torch you can carry for him.
Oh, Father.
Calm down, Rover. I was only...
All right, here it comes. Oh, you missed him.
Hey everybody, I'm done programming our new voice activation system.
Now all our household items will do anything we tell them to do. Great.
Oh, that's fine. What will they think I'm